Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, tap on general management. Under general management, tap on reset. Under reset, here we can see reset mobile network and settings. Tap on that. Then tap on reset settings. Then tap on reset. Done. Network settings reset. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all network related issues. Go back. If you are facing issue with the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you can use this option, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap here, then tap on reset settings. Done. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. So this way we can reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth related issues. So this way we can fix all network related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.